When it comes to banking, pabor siya. Mas madali siyang i-corner. JCUTMoto. Hello everyone, this is your boy JCUTMoto coming at you somewhere in Inapacan, Leyte. Today is Biyernes Santo. Biyernes. Kayo nang bahala. So today is Friday afternoon. I will be using my spare time for good. Makapagbigay ng content to everyone who is a subscriber. Diba? Lalong-lalo na yung mga aking nag-aabang. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? From all over the world, from all over the Philippines. Pupunta tayo ng Boya BY-M1 City. I am using my Sniper 150 right here. Speaking of Sniper 150, pag-usapan na rin natin itong Sniper 150 ko. Or maybe not really just the Sniper 150 but motorcycles in general. Lalong-lalo na yung mga taong mahilig sa accessories. Merong iilan na nagtatanong, nagko-comment about this accessory right here. Side mirror. Itong side mirror na to is branded as Rizuma but I don't know if it's legit or fake. So far, it's been more than 2 years. Nandito pa naman. Ang topic nga natin ngayon is about accessories and modifications. Let's just say this topic right here is maraming nakaka-relate. Bakit? I will be talking about my top 5 Tiis Ganda accessories or modifications sa mga bike or sa mga motor natin. A little disclaimer lang, this is my top 5. So, kung meron kayong additional na mga accessories na gustong i-comment, write it down below para malaman natin. So, top 5 Tiis Ganda accessories. Before talking about that, let me just overtake. Babae yung nagdadrive. Not to discriminate lang but usually pag babae yung nasa unahan ko, I am extra cautious basta babae yung nasa unahan. It's either nakakotse or nakamotor. I usually blow my horn to signal na andito ako sa likod. Kasi mahirap na hindi tayo mapansin. That's based on my experience. Mabuti na yung alam nilang nandito tayo sa likod. Oops. My posisyon. Anyway, going back to the topic, number 1 on my list for the top 5 is Ganda accessories for motorcycles or for my Sniper 150. Go. Number 1 is this side mirror right here. Hindi na stock na side mirror. Ito, Rizuma. Short stem. Ay, di pala ito short stem. Long stem na to. Pero as far as my experience goes, mahirap tong gamitin. Hindi natin masyadong nakikita yung nasa likod. Kumbaga, kailangan mo pang mag-effort para makita yung nasa likod mo. I've been using this pero pag ikumpara ko to sa stock, nandun sa Honda Click ko. As far as my experience goes, siyempre, mas trip ko yung malaking side mirror. But real talk na tayo, sinabi kasing mahilig sa motor, nandun na yung pagkahilig natin sa looks ng motor natin. So, instead of using the much easier to use or much larger side mirror para makita natin yung nasa likod natin ng madali. Kumbaga nagtitiis tayo para lang mapaganda. Yun na yung term na tiis ganda. So para maganda tingnan yung motor, magamit tayo nito. Paki-comment lang yung mga guilty dyan. Marami-rami tayo dito. Right? Comment kayo. Although di naman lahat ng side mirror na hindi stock is mahirap gamitin. Gaya nito. Kasi yung version 3 yata nito, yung malaki na. I think comparable na yun sa stock na side mirror. That's an exception. Di naman lahat ng side mirror na aftermarket is mahirap gamitin. That's one exception right there. Of course, since I'm talking about my side mirror, ito mahirap tong gamitin. So, that's my number 1 Tiis Ganda accessory right there. Yung number 2, pangalawa. Pangalawa is yung tail tie D na setup. Pag sinabing tail tie D, wala nang fender sa likod kasi gusto nating parang sports bike tingnan. Yung plaka na lang yung nakikita natin sa likod. Instead na may fender pa, plate holder na lang. So basically, ang mangyayari is kung umuulan, panigurado basa yung likod mo or yung likod ng backride mo. Yun. That's the number 2 modification or accessory na masasabi nating tiis ganda kasi maganda nga siyang tingnan, but there are possible consequences na maaaring makuha mo as a result. Number 1 is yun nga, mababasa yung likod mo or yung likod ng backride mo. And number 2, pag naswertehan kang may enforcer or let's say LTO na naka-checkpoint, you can be charged of modification na unauthorized. As a consequence, gumastos ka pa kasi magbabayad ka na nun. Kasi pag sinabing telltale yung plate holder or plate number di na nakalagay sa specified na lugar sa likod. It's either nasa gilid na or nasa ilalim na, mismong underneath na. Tiis ganda in the sense na pahirapan na siya. Magiging abala na siya para sa iyo kung nagra-ride ka. Kunwari may LTO nakaabang. Siyempre, magdadalawang isip ka na. Baka huhulihin ka or gagamitin yung modification na yun para maging grounds ng violation mo. That's the second tiis ganda modification or accessory that I think everyone should know. Before number 3, let me just overtake. Medyo takbong pogi lang tayo ngayon kasi walang open na gas station kasi Good Friday, half day lang yung mga gas station. So, bukas na yung gas station nakabukas. Bukas na nakabukas. So, overtake. Okay, overtake kayo mga pre. Wala akong problema doon. Ang bilis yung magtakbo-takbo. So anyway, number 3. More or less related na rin sa number 2. Kasi medyo mainit din siya sa LTO or sa mga enforcers, mga checkpoints, which is the LED bars. Problema kasi sa atin dito sa Pinas is that meron tayong mga batas. Unfortunately, when it comes to implementation, malabo na. Nagkakagulo-gulo na. Kasi yung iba, di alam kung ano ba talaga yung bawal o hindi bawal. So this one right here, or this LED bar is one of those things. Kung ikaw rider ka, mahilig ka sa mga long rides, magagamit mo talaga yung LED bar. Unfortunately, when it comes to the enforcers or when it comes to the implementation, dun tayo nahihirapan as riders. Iba-iba kasi yung pagkaka-implement. So that is one of the things na medyo di talaga ako gumagamit. Even yung maliit lang na blue water, I'm just using a aftermarket LED na headlight. Diba, may nababalitaan naman tayong may naninita. Medyo tumahimik na siya over the past months. But unfortunately, recently lang, kamakailan lang, I think may nakita na naman akong mga umaalmang mga riders na sinisita na naman sila ng mga enforcers. Although not all, may mga lugar na medyo strict talaga. That is another thing na dapat mo i-consider when it comes to your accessory. Comment down below kung isa ka sa mga nasita dahil sa LED bars or auxiliary lights. Maka-overtake nga. So number 4, pang-apat on my list. Listahan ni JCUTMoto. Number 4 is another accessory na mainit sa LTO. And that is the aftermarket mga tambucho or muffler. As I discussed before, mayroon tayong muffler up. Andun na yung batas. Yung implementation talaga yung nagkakaiba-iba or malabo. Yun yung term, malabo. So implementation is not really that clear. That's why pahirapan din as riders. Medyo di ako pabor mag muffler or mag aftermarket. Kasi yun na nga, sa mga checkpoints, medyo kabado ka. O magiging abala na siya. Instead of dire-diretso yung biyahe mo, syempre, you'll be thinking twice bago ka dumaan sa mga checkpoints. Diba, dapat may procedure na sinusunod. Number 1 is yung may civil meter sila. Fortunately, dito lang sa amin, malayatang ganun eh. I haven't really seen one. So that is one consideration na dapat mo ring isa-isip, isa puso at isa gawa. That's number 4 right there. Number 5 is my last accessory on my list. And that is the shifter. Wala akong shifter, wala akong pambili. Shifter is one of the accessories on my list because wala akong pambili, but I really don't like using it because gaya ng na-discuss ko before, para akong palaka. And based on my experience, nakakangawit siya. I don't know with you, sa mga nag-comment before regarding shifter or sa vlog ko about shifter, yung mga nagsabi namang nakapangalay nga siya at first, but over time, nakaka-adjust ka naman. Although shifter, for me shifter, yung advantage niya talaga is when it comes to banking, pabor siya. Mas madali siyang i-corner pag may shifter. Another thing is that medyo di siya ganun ka-durable. Number 1, it fades. Yung kulay niya, nagpi-fade. And number 2, nagbe-bend siya. Lalo na yung angkas na di marunong, nilalagay nila yung buong timbang nila sa footrest bago sumampa. Yun yung mahirap Yun yung nagiging rason para mag-bend yung shifter. That is my take when it comes to accessories na Tiis Ganda. So if you have something to add, please comment it down below para at least malaman ng iba when it comes to those things na sinasabing Tiis Ganda accessories. By the way, if you're new to my moto vlog, I am from Leyte. So this part right here is Lintaon Peak in Baybay City. So nakikita nyo naman maraming tao doon because this is a tourist destination right here. If you are here in Baybay City, huwag niyong kalimutang bumisita dito. So, this is on top of Barangay Lintaon. So, that is why yung tawag na Lintaon Peak. So, I guess I have to end this moto vlog right here. But before ending this episode, I have to leave you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you want your motorcycle to look good, take note of those Tiis Ganda accessories that I've mentioned, bro. That's about it. This is your boy, JCUTMoto, saying you bye-bye. Woohoo! JCUTMoto.